Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today is hump day and we have another unique watch face to review. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a super awesome, super unique watch face to check out today. Now the developer that created this one goes by the name of Murat Glue. I think I pronounced that right. I've been practicing it. I think I got it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Animated Multicolor Exclusive 12. Now, this is a nice look. I'm liking this watch face. I like what it gives in always on mode. It's just a basic analog watch face, and time is most important. Now, when the watch face is on, if you look in the background, you got a nice, unique animation going on behind the time. And if you look at the time, it's very different, right? It's in 24 hours, it's colorful, and as the time changes, so does the color of the numbers. Now, if you look down at the bottom, you can almost barely see it because it blends in with the animation, but those are going to be your minutes. But you also get shortcuts with this watch face, and I like the fact that they're hidden. You get 9 in all, so if I tap here, I can get my battery info. If you simply just tap around the watch face, you got all the different shortcuts you can get into, make a phone call, of course, check your weather, you got photos, you got your calendar, you also got your music player. So I thought definitely this was a nice look. Sometimes I don't like the icon to be shown depending on what it is that I'm wearing for that day. But all in all, I'm thinking it's a good look. But at the end of the day, you're going to have to be the judge. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care.